Updating your profile details on Public 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the profile icon on menu. Click on it to find the option for Profile Settings or Edit Profile. Step 3. Edit your details. In the profile settings, you will see various fields such as name, email, bio, and profile picture. Click on the fields you wish to update and enter the new information. Step 4. Save changes. After making your updates, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are saved. Step 5. Review your profile. Once saved, navigate back to your profile to review the changes. Make sure all information is displayed correctly and is up to date. By following these steps, you can easily keep your profile details on Public 2026 updated. Regularly checking your information helps maintain accuracy and enhances your online presence.